friends, I am back. Today we will discuss the border properties. So while designing a web page, many times we want to give a border to our text or to our HR line. So how to do so? I would be telling you today. So suppose I want a HR line. HR is a horizontal line. So if I want HR to have a particular thickness and I want it to be of specific color, solid in shape, so how would I do it? I would do it using the border property. So the property is within the tag, first you write the border, which is the property separated by colon, then the thickness, which is the border width, then the border style. Here in this case, I've used solid and then the border color. So when I do so, this particular property is applied to the HR tag in this particular case because I have given the property with the HR tag. So if I go and see the output, you can see I have a green line which is solid as well as the width is 2 pixels. Now, depending on if I want to increase the width of it, I can change the value. Suppose I give it 5 pixels and it becomes a thick solid line. Then instead of this solid, I want a dashed line. If I give the value dashed, this becomes a dashed line. If I give it dotted, it becomes a dotted line. See, it becomes a dotted line. So depending on the values, I can make the changes. Now, I have given green color. You want some other color? You give it that color and it will accept that. And you see, I get a yellow line. So this border property is not only applied to your HR, it can be applied to other tags also. For example, if I want to give a border to my paragraph tag, I use the P tag here. And if I see, you see, I get a border of yellow color because I had given yellow in the property. 5 pixels solid yellow is now applied to my paragraph tag instead of my HR. If I want to give it to both HR and paragraph, I can write both the tags together if the properties are the same, and I can apply it at both the places. So this is also called the border shorthand property, which has border width, border style, as well as border color. Now, another property which is widely used is border dash radius property. Let me show it to you. So if you see, if you want the borders to be curved, rounded borders, for that you use border dash radius. So it has to be accompanied by the border shorthand property, which I just explained, along with the border dash radius property. So here I've given 10 pixel and you see the curves. Suppose I make it 2 pixel and it becomes almost flat. The curves are no more shown. So depending on the values, this will change. In this case, I've applied to both paragraph and HR tag. As per your wish, you can make the changes. Suppose I just give it to HR and it is just applied to HR. If I include paragraph or any other tag for that matter, wherever I want it to be applied, I can use those tags and put this property. Again, one more thing you must have noticed is this width. So width, I have given 30%, so it covers a short space in the page. Suppose I increase the width to 70%. If you see, it becomes so big. And here I've applied it to P also. So it applies to both HR and the P line, the horizontal line as well as the paragraph. It becomes big. If I decrease the value to 30% again, if you see, it becomes a short border. So depending on how much is the width, the border width is going to decrease. Suppose I remove this border dash radius. See, I get a flat border. It is no more curved. So border dash radius is going to give you rounded borders to your element, whichever element is applied. So Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.